and welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be doing a get ready with me for my senior prom. It's my last prom ever and I'm growing up. So I'm showing you guys my hair, my makeup, and my dress for my senior prom. Super fun. I actually did a senior prom vlog in the cards down below. You know where to find it. Like, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Yeah, let's get started. So for the makeup, I am starting off by priming my face. Priming your face is super important, especially for events like prom, where you're going to be dancing and having a lot of fun. I'm also taking this foundation from Loreal. It's not my favorite foundation ever. I kind of like low-key hate it, but it matches my skin color. Kind of. You'll see in the next clip that it matches my skin color. Blah, blah, blah. Talking is so hard for me recently. I don't know, but yep. And then I'm taking this Age Rewind Brightener Concealer and I'm applying this under my eyes, my forehead, nose, chin. I'm applying a lot more than normal just because it's like prom and I want to look cool and, you know, I want to look nice. And I'm going to set it with my Coty Airspun powder, which I'm kind of afraid to use this powder sometimes because like Flashback Mary and James Charles and all that stuff, but like I still like it and it's cheap. And I'm taking a brush on the outside of my face instead of my beauty blender, and I'm just powdering up my face and taking this butter bronzer from Physicians Formula and bronzing up my face. All the products will be down below if you guys are interested in any of them. And you're like, oh, what was that? It'll be down below. I'm also taking this contour shade called Sombre from Kat Von D and contouring my face. And I blend it out later. Don't worry, I don't like look like I have two stripes on my face. That is not a cute look. Also taking this Tarte blush and just applying it on my cheeks and blending that out afterwards to give me a nice kind of color to my face, you know? And I'm taking my favorite highlighter at the moment. This is beautiful, especially on my like recently tan skin. This highlighter is so blinding that it literally made the camera go out of focus. Like, that's how blinding it is. It's beautiful. And I'm doing my brows with the Benefit Ka-Brow. Such a cool word. I love saying Ka-Brow. And I'm just filling in my eyebrows here. I'm taking that same bronzer I used on my face and applying it in my crease. I'm starting out very small and light-handed and really working my way in. Kind of making it smoky, bronzy, all that stuff. Applying it on my lower lash line too. And then I'm taking that highlighter again and applying it on my lid. Really focusing it on the inner corner and then kind of fading it out to the outer corner. Or at least I tried to do that. It just didn't like work out as planned, but that's okay. I just think it's so pretty. And I'm coating my eyelashes with some mascara. Well, after I curl them, then I'm gonna do that. And I apply it to my upper and lower lashes. And I'm going to be applying false lashes, so, you know, the drill. Just gotta coat them. They don't need to be super nice. I'm taking the Huda Beauty Camille Easy Lashes. I got so many questions on this. I'm gonna say it again. Huda Beauty Camille Easy Lashes. They're gorgeous. I'm also taking this liquid matte from Huda Beauty. I believe it's in Bombshell, and I'm just putting that on my lips. Most of this look was drugstore, I will have to say. So like, go Keegan, like woohoo. Yes, for a mostly drugstore prom makeup look. Here's the makeup, super cute. As for my hair, I'm probably the most basic person ever when it comes to hair for events like these, because I feel like I don't have enough hair to do like a cool updo, and I look bald when I have my hair back. So yeah, I always do the same thing, and I've showed you guys this so many times. So I just take big sections of hair, wrap them around a curling wand, hold it for a minute, then I, you know, hold on my hand, let it cool down, let it go. And each time I curl a piece of hair, I do it in alternating directions so it doesn't coil up into like one giant curl. Not really a big fan of that look. So I just keep doing that over and over. I've shown you guys this so many times, but it's just like kind of my look that I do. Once my curls have cooled down, I take my fingers and run through them just to make it a little bit looser and more natural, wavy-ish, yeah. And here are the curls. Yeah, boring but cute. As for my dress, a lot of you guys wanted to know where my dress is from. I'm in love with it. It's like this red burgundy color. It has a slit and it kind of goes down, but there's like a mesh so it's not too like revealing. It's from Camille Labi. I've only been there one time and I kind of love it and it's kind of cool. My shoes are super cute nude heels from Q. So that was my get ready with me. I hope that you guys liked it. Don't forget to check out the vlog and yeah, subscribe if you're not already. Join the family. We're cool here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.